Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your bank account to KuCoin. This guide will help you easily link your bank for smooth fiat deposits and withdrawals. We'll cover everything from initial setup to making your first transfer, ensuring you can manage your funds efficiently. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience, allowing you to quickly move between traditional currency and digital assets. Let's get started and unlock the full potential of your KuCoin account. Before connecting your bank, ensure your KuCoin account is ready. First, log into your account, either on the website or through the mobile application. It's crucial to complete your identity verification, also known as KYC, as this is a mandatory step for fiat transactions. Always make sure the name on your bank account exactly matches the name registered on your KuCoin profile to avoid any delays or issues with your transfers. Now let's add your bank transfer method. From the KuCoin homepage, find and click on Buy Crypto, then select Fiat Deposit. Alternatively, you might see an Add Funds option. Next, choose your preferred fiat currency, for example Euro, and then select the bank transfer option. You may need to complete a quick additional verification step, which helps ensure the security of your transactions. With your payment method set up, you're ready to make your first deposit. KuCoin will provide specific beneficiary details, including an account number and reference. Carefully copy these details and use them to initiate a bank transfer from your personal bank account. Standard transfers usually take 1 to 2 business days to process, though instant transfers are often completed within seconds, depending on your bank's support. Once received, funds are credited to your KuCoin funding account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.